It's great to have you with us.
From Memphis, Tennessee.
Get your PCRs ready. Get your PCRs ready.
Make us feel like a
Hello, and thanks for joining me one last time on the weekly update. I just wanted to listen to John Daly's Tee the Ball Up one last time, as that was Luke's favorite walk-up song. Kind of gets the juices flowing again, and I think the weather has kind of done that for a lot of us. Just wanted to connect with you real briefly and say thank you to all of you for giving me the opportunity to coach. Whether it was you or your son, I had a great time doing that, preparing some things behind the scene, and getting to spend 2 weeks before COVID hit. So I just wanted to reach out, say thank you. It was a ton of joy. I look forward to having a lot of you back. I'm going to miss our seniors, and hopefully we can reconnect with them next year and give them a little bit more time on the course together as we look at doing some fundraiser tournaments. So just wanted to give a shout out to all of you, let you know I care about you. I really enjoyed my time with the 2 weeks driving the van out there, doing some of the things we did together. So thank you for the opportunity. And let's stay strong together through everything. God bless. Take care of yourself. Take care of your families, your communities, and we'll be out playing golf together once again sooner than later. Take care, everybody, and thank you for letting me coach you this year.